Performance is the result of passion and persistence. We as BAS trust that we can initiate change every day. Being a specialist for internal threading tools, we are united by the conviction to develop our high-precision products further each day, and have been doing so ever since 1947. It is our employees, the Bussianers, who make the difference and who work on the products of tomorrow. We are jointly developing solutions, even for complex challenges. Together we master even the high requirements of the automotive and aerospace industry or medical technology. Extraordinary customers, employees and suppliers share a valuable partnership. When within a long process chain, there is only the true to gauge thread left that is missing in the component to be successfully finished, the experience and attention to detail of BAS pays off. Our tools stand for high tool life and reliable processes. High-precision measuring systems confirm the constantly high level of our production, a result of our qualified employees and our modern machine park. Precision determines our daily actions. It is part of our DNA. We are united by the conviction that high performance can only be achieved under perfect conditions. Starting with our salt bath hardening, we lay the foundation for our excellent tools. Modern process technologies, together with the strong will to exploit the maximum potential for our customers, characterize us and our products. Thanks to efficient processes, we're able to implement cost-effective solutions within the shortest time. Satisfied employees are the core and the driving force of our performance capability. Every product that leaves our plant is also a part of us. BAS. Performance connects.